Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a signature here in Outlook. Now, in order for us to add signature, let's head over to Google and let's type signature maker. So I'm going to be using from HubSpot. However, there are more options on the other sites. I'm just going to use this one right here, create my signature. And let's say, for example, here are the details that I want to use. So say those, for example, I can add LinkedIn, Facebook, and so many others here. But let's say, for example, I'm satisfied with this one. I can go ahead and click create my signature or create signature. And then I can go ahead and then click copy signature. Or I can also email this one if, say, for example, someone else would like to ask for it. So I'm just going to copy this one and I'm going to head over to my Gmail or Outlook rather. Here, I'm going to click this, manage account, and then I'm going to type here email signature. All right, and then I'm gonna click add a signature and paste that here. So I'm just gonna delete the other part. Oops. Now, say for example, I'm satisfied with that already. I can go ahead and click this set default for new messages as well as replies and forwards, and then name this one. I'm gonna call this one Vladimir signature. Click save and you can see that now it's there. Now, if I'm going to head over and close this one here, if say for example I'm going to reply, you can see that the signature is automatically been added. Same way if you're going to create a new email, the signature is added as well. So yeah, that's how you're going to add signature in Outlook.